DAG fractional node staking is here. I'm going to go through step by step and show you exactly how to participate. Welcome back to the channel. It's your first time here and you like farming, staking, earning yield, and passive income, then this is the place for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, we're on lattice.is/dashboard. And if we go down to the soft node program 15, that is the staking one. And it shows here that we're required to have at least 100 DAG tokens. So if we hit view program, it says we have 1 day, 21 hours, and 39 minutes to enroll. The enrollment window is the 1st through the 3rd. The staking period is the 1st through February 1st. So what we need to do is we need to sign into our Lattice account. If you haven't made an account, you just create an account. You do not have to KYC. So I'll sign in. I'll put in my email address. And then I'll put in my password. And then you're going to have a 2FA code. So you're going to have that linked to your phone. So I'm looking on my phone right now to get that code. I'm going to type that code in. And once you got that, you sign in. Now, once you're signed in, you connect your wallet. And we got the Stargazer wallet. I do have a video on that. So you can go in the description of this video and I will link the video showing how to set one of those up there. So it shows my wallet is connected. So then we're going to go down to this soft node program number 15, view program. Then literally all you do is hit stake wallet. And it just literally just goes to, it says successfully staked. And that is it. A couple of things I wanted to go over real quick are that this is a 1-month program. So at the end of January, at the beginning of February, you'll have to restake your tokens. And also, if you go down here to manage soft node, it'll come up and show you how much you have staked, and it'll show you the percentage. And then down over here, it'll say your rewards history. And you're not going to have any rewards, I don't think, until the 3rd. So that's when it officially launches. And right now, as I'm finishing this video up, you have 1 day, 16 hours, and 5 minutes left. I'm going to hurry up and edit this video real quick to get it out so you guys can enjoy this node program. I've been looking forward to this for a year, well, over a year now, since I started to DCA and to DAG. So this is great that they're doing this. Thank you to Constellation Network for doing this. For the people that can afford 250,000 DAG tokens, maybe one day I'll be able to get a full node, but today is not that day. So thank you for watching as always, and have a great day.